How's it going? So, what can I do for you?
Just here to have a bad burning pain that goes from my neck all the way down my back into my left arm, my fingertips, my elbow. I also have acid reflux that I've been dealing with for quite some time, along with being flat-footed. That doesn't help me, but I'm just hoping to relieve some tension in my neck today.
Gotcha. Tell us a little more about that burning neck problem.
About 12 years ago it started. I've been dealing with it. It's gotten progressively worse. I think just being in architecture school and leaning over desks, and I was in a bad car accident about 5 years ago. I think it just got progressively worse over time, and the burning pain has gotten to the point where it's there all day, every day.
Understood. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's take a closer look. All right, so here's your rotation. Look for any signs of abnormal temperature with this fella. Got one reading right there. Not too bad here?
Not too bad, but it is tender. It's more tender on the right side.
Yeah, over here, right?
Just funny because I feel the pain on the left side.
That's why we don't chase pain. We gotta find out what's going on at the root of your problem. So slightly fixated on that side. It's not too bad. Right here, yeah?
Yep.
How's this feel here?
Not too bad.
This fella?
It's a little.
This one?
Yeah.
That's not moving. Just too much swelling around that area. It's also small too. All right. Now you got some swelling, bogginess over here too.
Yep.
Yeah, right there. So what we're seeing over here, you know, in terms of his burning neck problem, there's something very, very swollen right here. It's kind of nuts. So we see over here, it's all boggy. It's all filled with fluid, mostly on the left-hand side. How's that fella feeling?
Burning.
Burning. Duplicates the problem, huh? Well, there's a candidate.
Yes, it is.
Feel that right there? Yeah. So you got a little muscle spasm right there. Right there.
It's been my life in the last 10 years, constant muscle spasms in my neck.
Well, this fellow right here is not fun. See? I could tilt your head to the left. See that?
Yeah.
I can't budge it. It's just locked and stuck right there. It's 6 cervical. So we can clearly see something's not right because your overall structure of your spine is leaning a bit to the right, takes the immediate left, and then the right, and then makes a left again. So you also got another curveball over here. You have one extra bone, a 6th lumbar, right? Yeah, you were born with this. But we tested confirmed, no, it's that 5th lumbar. That's the one that's in trouble. That's not to cause a cascade down effect from the ground upwards. We do need to restore this nerve function to your pelvis first, right? And I'm going to reevaluate, see what's going on in that pelvis. Most likely it's from that 5th lumbar. I have a hunch. And then this one over here, we need to correct that one over there. But that third dorsal, that side slipper, that's one that duplicates your burning pain. Yeah, we need to address that one. And that's 6 cervical as well. That's roll. Here's a piece. Here it is. Come on up, champ. Okay, walk around.
I feel like it would breathe a little bit easier. It causes a lot of the burning pain in my back. I feel like it takes like a lot of my breath away. In a sense, it's like causes shortness of breath, so I kind of just got a little bit of air back into my lungs.
Nice. There you go. There you go. No. Just like that. Just breathe and relax this one. Strut the belly even more. There you go. Let it go again, champ. There you go. Okay, that side slip's really jammed up. Swans with victims. Okay. There you go. Drop the blood. There you go. Next a little more. There's a piece. There it is. Oh. Come on up, champ.
Again, the breathing has gotten a little bit better again.
So how's the burning in the neck?
It's still, when I do this, it's a lot less. When I do move to the left, it's still there briefly, but when I move back, it's alleviated.
Nice. Let's check that 6 cervical.
Okay.
Have a seat. Yep. Still needs a magic touch.
That's good.
Just let it go. Just relax. Let it go.
So I already feel a ton of relief when I can never bend my neck all the way back without feeling tremendous burning, and it's about 80% better already.
Nice.
Very, I can't even explain it. It's a huge feel of relief. I always felt pain. I could never lean all the way back, and now I can move my neck so much easier now. Just, it feels a lot better.
So what are your troubles with this elbow over here?
When I turn this way, I just get very bad pains in here.
Let's show the viewers. Point to me. Where?
Right here, and you can see on this elbow, it's very flat, and the muscle kind of protrudes.
Well, this is also swollen here. Got some swelling over here too. All right, so let's see what's going on in here. One second.
Oh, that's weird. Right there.
Yeah, it hurts right there. Huh? Yeah, that's where it's swollen. Right there.
Right there too. Yep.
Yeah, you've got an open gap right there. All right. Just relax. Pain right there, right?
Oh my god.
Okay, so we're gonna pump that fluid out of the way before we set this thing. So it's key and important. We're gonna pump all the fluid out of the way before we set it. So we get a deeper set. Okay, you ready, champ?
Yeah.
Now or never, right?
Yep.
All right, let it go. Just let it go. Just relax. Just relax. The important thing is we already restored the vital nerve function from this neck over here to get the nerve flow into this elbow over here. Just like that.
Oh, that felt good. That actually did not hurt. That actually felt... Oh, I feel such relief. Wow.
See?
And my hands are clammy because I feel... That was what I was most worried about.
Nothing to worry about.
Nothing to worry about.
Exactly. All right, now let's check your wrist.
Yeah.
Fill us, the viewers, in what's going on with that left one.
It's just always cracking, and it just...
There you go.
You know what I mean? It just doesn't feel right, and I get pains when I even lift little, things that aren't too heavy. I get the pain, and it kind of comes radiating down here, and then I have the pain radiating down, so it's kind of like always jumping back and forth.
Gotcha. Well, you know the story. That neck over there, not enough nerve function. That's why I was reduced nerves to over here. That's why this elbow, it went out the way it did. The wrist, went out as well. Let's take a look at this poor fella. Yeah, I see it. See, that's misaligned, that's misaligned. Yeah, that's not fun. See that lunate?
Yep.
You feel like
I feel
punchiness?
all of it, yep.
Yeah, the lunate is completely misaligned. Okay, just pump that in. Okay, let it go. There we go.
And there you go, that one. That second
That was
one.
the final piece. Okay, let's go on to the right one.
Not too much with the right one. The right one actually felt much better than the left one.
All right, let's take a look.
You might have the same issue though.
We'll see. Awesome. Yeah, the elbow's not bad. Okay, that's out.
Yes, it is. I feel that.
You hear that?
Yes, I do. It is not comfortable.
Exactly. This thing's really out. Pump it up before we set it. This way. There we go. We're gonna fix your thumb. Hold on. Here's the other piece. So even this one over here is lunate, this bone. Swung out that way. So we're gonna fix that one right now. Yeah, awesome. Good. There it is.
I'm glad I have a mask to conceal my facial expressions.
Okay, give it a whirl.
You know what's crazy? I didn't even have that much pain in my right arm, and you found it.
Well,
My left hand feels so much better. It's not cracking anymore.
Are you a lefty or righty?
I'm a lefty.
You're a lefty.
I'm ambidextrous. I'm a lefty when I write, but sports and throwing and everything else is righty.
Gotcha.
So, but I can do everything basically with both hands.
Well, that's your important hand right there, because you're an archetype.
Yes.
You got to draw with that thing.
Right, exactly.
All right. Well, you're gonna enjoy both your wrists over there. Anything else, champ?
I think that's it.
All right, champ.
Besides the acid reflux, I don't know if there's anything.
Right. How is that?
I can't feel it now. I'll know probably later on. You know, I usually get it after I eat dinner or before I go to sleep. I feel it in here, but I feel like all this pain that I felt in my back. Sometimes this whole area just feels so heavy, and I feel like I can't breathe. It feels so super tight, and I think it's just my muscles or the bone wasn't right, and it just started getting inflamed, and then it caused me to not be able to breathe, and it caused the pains in my neck and my back.
Understood. So that was the story itself. You address this, your fifth lumbar. You may have that extra bone over there. Okay. This one over here, this one here, this one here as well. Now, main thing, that's where this issue, that's where we have to correct that one over there, right? That nerve innervates the stomach. So the following visit, I want to know if that helps you with your heartburn and digestion over there. Right?
Okay, great. And
the other component, that's what we touched base before. This issue over here, it does innervate your elbows and your wrist. Right? That's what we need to keep working on that. Get the nerves functioning, those fellows. All right?
Okay.
All right, champ. So once again, ice this over here.
Will do.
20 minutes every 2 hours. Pump all that fluid out of the way. On the next visit, let us know how's the stomach doing.
Okay.
Right? We're all set.
All right. Thank you so much. I appreciate everything.
Hey, you're
already
welcome.
started feeling better. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, champ. Give us the latest updates. How's everything doing so far?
I feel a lot better in a lot of areas that you fixed on the first day. My elbows felt better than it's felt in probably 5, 6, 7 years. My wrists both feel fantastic. My flat feet aren't flat anymore, which is really nice. My neck's been feeling, it has its good days and its bad days. Some days, I feel the burning still, but definitely at least 25 to 30% better than when I walked in. And I know it's a process and it's going to take some time because I have so many issues, but I'm just glad to be a part of that process right now, to get healed.
What else updates?
I noticed that the acid reflux that I had after coming to the first session has been so much better. I even tested myself and I tried to eat late, where I usually get it when I go to bed, and it was at least 75% down. I barely felt the burning in my throat. It was really great.
All right, well, don't push it, though.
Yeah, I know.
Eating late isn't that great for you. Okay, let's roll. There, so we still have the swelling all around here.
Yeah, it's tender.
Right there, fifth lumbar.
Yeah, I feel like
that right there too. You see, we got all this pooling here too.
That's where I feel the most pain.
Gotcha.
Right in that little lump area in my back.
So back, please. Right there. This, how's that feel right there?
It's a little.
Yeah, see, that ain't moving whatsoever. All right, same culprits. Let's get the roll. Glasses on. Let it go. There it is. Come on up. A little more, champ. Boom. Got right there. Relax. Let's help you with this one over here. Okay, knees back, please. Drop the belly. A little more. There's a piece. There's a piece. Okay, see right there? Okay, relax shoulders. Let it. Let's get this. Good. Stay right there. Not bad. Switch. Yeah, it's stuck. Bring it this way. There we go. How's his elbow doing?
Feels pretty good, gotta tell you.
Yeah, it's a proper alignment. Good. How's the wrist doing? Oh, there it went.
It's been feeling a lot better.
Good. This one. There's that magic. Have a seat. Okay, SC, AC. Okay, scapula's in position. Relax this over here. There it goes. Come on up.
Yeah, I felt that one. Felt good.
All right. Feet are doing much better.
Oh, they feel great. I gotta tell you, they feel great.
Get this chunk right here. There's that fella.
I've noticed ever since the first time I came in that I'm able to walk better, and I just don't feel the pain
Walk around
in my back as much because my feet are hurt. they're the way
they were flat feet.
They were completely flat. I've always had this issue. Always had the issue, but I mean, I feel more grounded. I feel like I can walk better. And I think that it alleviates some of the pain in my back as well.
Oh wait, well that's why we gotta have the spring.
The foundation, yeah.
Well, not just foundation, but also like the chakras over the springs into your step over there. It's there for a reason.
Yeah.
All right, champ.
I appreciate everything.
All right. You're very welcome. See you next
I
time.
feel good, thank you.
All right, champ. So give us the latest updates. How's everything doing?
Everything has been progressively a lot better. I feel like when I came in, I had a lot of issues, and now I have no pain in my elbow, which was one of the worst pains I had for years. My ankles and my wrist feel a lot better. My shoulders feel a lot better. I can move it. And when it comes to the area of my neck that I really came in for, the difference has been extraordinary. It's really, it's gone from, being in so much pain for hours and hours every day to, not being able to be on my feet for 8 to 10 hours now. So the quality of life has definitely been so much better for me. And, when I walked in on the first day, I was in so much pain, and there would be days where I'd just cry myself to sleep because the pain was so bad. And now I wake up every day and I appreciate life so much more because I'm just healthier and I feel so much better, and I feel like there's just the little things in life I started appreciating more because of not being in pain all throughout the day. So yeah, definitely, I'm really happy that I came and came to see you, and I really appreciate you helping me. It's been really nice,
All right, that's great, man.
Yeah.
So you mentioned it's like the 8 to 10 hours you can do today. What was it before?
An hour maybe max. I do a lot of construction work for a living, and just being on my hands and knees, I couldn't go more than an hour or two without the pain being so bad that I had to lay flat on my back. And now I can actually work on projects, and I can enjoy what I love to do for a living, for a full day's work.
Awesome.
Which has been pretty great. I can get back into the little things that I always wanted to do that I haven't been able to do for 10, 12 years. So it's been pretty great.
All right, man.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear.
I
all
appreciate
that
you. Thank you.
amazing
Yeah. Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, it's been good.
All right. Well, thank you for the updates, man.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome.
All right.
Yeah.